Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of cauliflower, a humble vegetable with extraordinary health benefits. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health and beyond, cauliflower is a nutritional powerhouse. Join us on this journey as we uncover the secrets to a healthier life through the amazing properties of cauliflower. Let's get started. First and foremost, cauliflower, often celebrated for its versatility in the kitchen, holds a unique place in supporting brain health. It's a good source of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain health. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, mood, and muscle control. Adequate choline intake supports optimal cognitive function. Cauliflower is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and various phytonutrients. These compounds help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative disorders. It also contains sulforaphane, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Research suggests that sulforaphane may help protect against cognitive decline and support overall brain health. Let's talk about heart health. One of cauliflower's standout features for heart health is its fiber content. Fiber is a dietary component known to help manage cholesterol levels. Cauliflower provides both soluble and insoluble fiber. It also contains potassium, a vital mineral that plays a key role in blood pressure regulation. Potassium helps relax blood vessel walls, reducing tension on the cardiovascular system and helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Cauliflower contains dietary nitrates, which can be converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This can contribute to lower blood pressure and enhanced cardiovascular function. What's more, cauliflower has a low glycemic index, which means it has a slower and steadier impact on blood sugar levels when consumed. This is attributed to its minimal carbohydrate content, making it a favorable choice for individuals looking to manage blood sugar. Cauliflower is a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber aids in slowing down the absorption of glucose from the digestive tract, helping to prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. It also contains sulforaphane, a bioactive compound with potential benefits for glucose metabolism. Studies suggest that sulforaphane may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Cauliflower is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and various phytonutrients. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to insulin resistance and impaired glucose metabolism. Additionally, cauliflower also plays a significant role in promoting digestive well-being. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Cauliflower's fiber content acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. This fosters a balanced gut microbiome, contributing to overall digestive wellness. Cauliflower contains natural enzymes that aid in the digestive process. Enzymes like amylase, cellulose, and protease help break down carbohydrates, cellulose, and proteins respectively. While the enzyme content in cauliflower is not exceptionally high, it can still contribute to the digestive process. Cauliflower has a high water content, approximately 92%. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining healthy digestion, aiding in the softening of stool, and preventing constipation. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. What's more, compounds in cauliflower, including sulforaphane, support the body's detoxification processes, helping to eliminate harmful toxins. Cauliflower belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, known for its rich content of glucosinolates. These sulfur-containing compounds play a pivotal role in detoxification. When cauliflower is chewed, chopped, or digested, glucosinolates are broken down into biologically active compounds. Did you know cauliflower possesses notable anti-inflammatory properties? It's rich in phytonutrients, including various types of glucosinolates, carotenoids, and flavonoids. These bioactive compounds possess anti-inflammatory properties, helping to combat chronic inflammation. Lastly, cauliflower is a low-calorie vegetable that provides essential nutrients. This combination makes it a valuable addition to a weight-conscious diet, allowing for nutrient-dense meals without excessive calorie intake. Cauliflower is a good source of dietary fiber. This fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness and satiety, which can help reduce overall calorie intake and support weight loss efforts. Cauliflower has a high water content, which contributes to a feeling of fullness. Proper hydration is important for appetite control, and cauliflower's high water content can aid in managing hunger. There you have it, folks. A deeper look into cauliflower's incredible health benefits. Remember to add this versatile veggie to your plate next time. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.